Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple solution to remove the black screen. If you've accidentally ended the Windows Explorer task, your screen will be black. Here we have a black screen with the Task Manager open. But what if you've accidentally closed the Task Manager too, leaving you with nothing but a blank screen? Don't worry, we've got a solution. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys simultaneously to reopen the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, click on the File menu at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Run New Task. In the Create New Task window that appears, type explorer.x. When you type it, and then click OK. This action will restart the Windows Explorer process and restore the user interface. And there you have it. Your screen should now be back to normal. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to support our channel. Thanks for watching.